Yo, bro, what floor that party on?
I think that party on the 11th floor, bro.
Oh, it's only right. We going to the top floor, presidential shit. Happy New Year, bro, God. A lot more to come.
I ain't doing. Fetti. Got another one, y'all. I ain't doing. I'm ballin', they mad, but I ain't doing no talking. I'm ballin', they mad, but I ain't doing no talking. I'm ballin', they mad, but I ain't doing no talking. I dare nigga act tough. My little niggas gon' off them, but I ain't doing no talking. 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 Fetti niggas hating on me. I stole that bitch, can it love me? They say all the struggles make you see life in a different view. Fuck the money and the fame, that's what they pursue. Cause I'm just trying to do it for my fam. I'm hustling every night, and jail ain't part of the plan. Real niggas, yeah, you know they gotta feel the vibe. I came up on my own, so respect, they gotta give me mine. I'm on that corner, screaming fuck the 9 to 5. Money bring you hate, but it also catch these bitches' eyes. They ain't nothing but some gold diggers. Know why? They ain't fucking with no broke niggas. In Vegas, we're known to let it go, nigga. Fetti the name, I'm well protected like the Pope, nigga. Chill, it get real. I got killers all in that field. You pack still, you done deal. If I send them boys on that trail, screaming R.I.P. to the legends, Louis V and Ty. Counting dirty money to the day I die.
That party was crazy,
crazy,
bro.
Man. We back out to
You already know, only way to go, Vegas shit, man. Went up with Bel Air, come down with him.
Ballin', they mad, but I ain't doing no talking. I'm ballin', they mad, but I ain't doing no talking. I'm ballin', they mad, but I ain't doing no talking. I dare nigga act tough. My little niggas gon' off them, but I ain't doing no talking. 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 Niggas hating on me. I stole that bitch, can they love me? Land Vegas. What the fuck these niggas be talking about? Fetti, I be all these niggas be talking about. Yeah, Patty do, these niggas hating every day, B. I know, I sound like Rico talking to AZ. Woo. That's cause my lifestyle like paid in full. I'm just a young nigga trying to get paid in full. Gotta get that money, power, respect, nigga. Oh, you mad? My youngins been a threat, nigga. Hustlers, we ain't never bustin' no checks, nigga. I play the app, I pay my tabs, I ain't never being in debt, nigga. Just a young nigga out here grinding, just a young nigga out here shining. Never did I strive to get a 9 to 5, but I made 2 stacks from like 9 to 5. My niggas, you know they down to do anything. Run up in your house with the shotty, give me everything. Savages, but still the one these bitches love to date. And forever be the one these niggas love to hate. I'm ballin', they mad, but I ain't doing no talking. I'm ballin', they mad, but I ain't doing no talking. I'm ballin', they mad, but I ain't doing no talking. I dare nigga act tough. My little niggas gon' off them, but I ain't doing no talking. 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 Niggas hating on me. I stole that bitch and they left fuck up. But I ain't doing no talking. We got another one. Shout out to my nigga Patty Duke. Shout out my nigga O, man. Shout out the whole Land Vegas, man. I'm definitely dedicated to this shit, and it's about to be a takeoff, man. Fetti, stay tuned. I stole that bitch and they left